I am getting sick of the victim mentality that is rapidly spreading throughout my country, my generation, throughout people as a whole. We all know that one person that just every time you talk to them, it doesn't even have to be what they're saying, it's just their voice says, feel bad for me. Oh, the world is weighing down on me, and you should feel bad because I'm a victim. That shit is contagious as all hell. Get that shit away from me. I don't want it anywhere near me. Because guess what? Here's the truth of the fact. You are probably right. Almost all of us have been a victim of something at one point or another in our lives. Almost all of us have the odds stacked against us. But what I'm asking you is, how does feeling like a victim help you? How does it help the people around you? Do you want to bring everyone down with you? I want that motherfucker next to me who says, get your ass back up, get back to work, get back in the gym, stop eating trash, stop sleeping like trash, stop wasting your time, stop wasting your money, make progress. Because the victim mentality is bitter and it sometimes can feel good because guess what? It's a nice warm little blankie that makes you feel better. That shit doesn't make me feel better. Because I see it for what it really is. It only makes you feel better if you're able to lie to yourself. But for some reason, lying to yourself and lying to others about the way you present yourself is totally acceptable now. It's fine. No worries. Carry on. I really can't stand it. And selfishly, I can't stand it because it gets in my head. It makes me think certain ways and it plagues me like it is a deep fear that one day it could actually root inside of me and me feel the same way. So I got to fight it. I have to fight it. I have to surround myself with people that are striving. I don't have time to waste. Our time on this earth is short. And I fear wasting it. And the victim mentality is just a way to wallow around in the same spot, making the same poor decisions without making progress and doing what you have to do. Life is difficult. Life is hard. So how does feeling and representing yourself as a victim help you in any way? It doesn't. It doesn't help you. I've got certain people in my life, people I know, every time I see them, it's just, I'm okay. And like, they try to coax out of you some kind of response, some kind of comfort. And I will comfort you if I see you making steps. But comforting you when you are not making steps towards progress does not help you. It enables you to continue to stay where you are at. We're human beings. We need challenges. We need to strive towards something greater. I need to do that. I need to hold myself accountable. How am I supposed to hold myself accountable if I'm surrounded by people with victim mentalities that are willing to just sit where they're at and tell everyone else, feel bad for me because of X, Y, Z? Guess what? There's someone out there that has it worse than you that is working their ass off. There's someone out there that has it better than you, and they're still working their ass off. And guess what? There's people out there that are doing better than you that aren't doing a goddamn thing. So what? Wallowing around in your own self-pity isn't just keeping you where you're at. It's lowering your level. It is bringing you downhill at a drastic rate that is going to ruin your life. We can't sit around and expect things to change for us. We have to do everything in our power. We have to fight and claw for the ability to grow and pursue our dreams as human beings. The world is evil. The world is deranged. It is against you. So you have to have the maximum amount of volume, of action, of intention, so that you can negate luck. Fuck luck. Fuck sitting around. Fuck being a victim. We need to strive. And I'm sick of this victim mentality because it's a plague and it is a disease that people are willing to spread because it makes them feel better when others have it. And if you are willing to do that, then you have a deep evil inside of you that you need to actually look at, dissect, and decide. If you want to improve, You got to get rid of that. Look, it sucks, man. It is tough. But that's the first step. Just simple 2 words. So what? The odds are stacked against you. So what? And? What are you going to do to progress? When we sit there and we give every single excuse why we won't progress, then you sure as hell will not progress. But if you can at least make a game plan that you are able to take actions with, you will be able to get somewhere. And somewhere is a hell of a lot better than nowhere or backwards. There is the ability to change, to grow, and to become something that you desire. I will die behind that. I believe it fully in my heart that I will become someone better. And it is gruesome to stay in the same cycle of having absolutely no progress in a shitty place that you do not want to be. It's misery. But it's still better than just doing nothing. Get rid of that victim mentality. If not for yourself, for the sake of the ones you love. Find something better. I will be doing the same thing. If you like the sound of that and you're willing to do it, subscribe, like, comment, let me know how it goes for you. I will see you all in the next one.